Good morning, children. This is class 4th EVS book. Let's do reading of lesson 7 water. Where does tap water come from? The water that we get at home is usually purified river water. Surface water, that is water found in rivers, ponds and lakes, is purified into potable water or water that is fit from drinking. Surface water is being used up very fast the world over. River water is purified in huge plants and sent through pipes to our homes. In many parts of India, people do not get water through taps. They walk long distance to fetch water from the nearby pond or lake. In many places where river water is unavailable, people use wells, hand pumps and tube wells to lift underground water. It is pumped up through porous rock such as chalk, limestone and sandstone in which water can collect. In most large cities, there is not enough surface water or underground water for everyone. Water may be brought from other parts of the country where there is more rain. Dams are made in the valleys in wet hilly areas for water storage. Dams and reservoirs trap surface water from rivers and other sources. Near large towns, water may be stored in huge reservoirs. In a few parts of the world, saline seawater is turned into fresh water through a process called desalination. But this is very expensive process. However, we do make salt from seawater. In many places near the sea, salt pans are constructed to trap seawater and prevent it from flowing back. During the monsoon, seawater moves up inland and fills up the pans. Then dikes trap them in these pans. When the water evaporates, huge amounts of salt is left behind. Drinking impure water causes waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, jaundice, cholera, and typhoid. We can make impure water clean and safe by doing the following. First, boiling. Second, sedimentation and filtration. Third, adding chlorine or bleaching powder to the water. Fourth, using electronic water filters such as AquaGuard. And fifth, using the reserve osmosis system. Water pollution. When a river starts its journey from the mountains, it is clean and clear, but as it travels down and enters the plains, its colors and nature changes. Why? Waste from industries and homes is dumped into the rivers and other water bodies in the form of effluents and sewage, leading to water pollution. This water can be dangerous for all forms of life. Chemicals drained into rivers cause food formation. Fish cannot breathe in such dirty and polluted water. Similarly, oil leaks from ships result in oil slicks that affect the creatures living in seas and oceans. Washing and bathing activities also pollute water bodies. Overuse of fertilizers and pesticides by farmers cause causes groundwater pollution, making it unfit for drinking. Ways to prevent water pollution. We can prevent water pollution by following some simple ways. We should not dump garbage into water bodies. Factory wastage should be treated before they are let out in rivers, lakes, etc. Wells should be covered properly to protect them from getting contaminated. Now children, reading of lesson 7 water is completed and your homework is to read lesson 7 very nicely. Thank you children.